This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Gray. This brick ranch features a large formal living room with wood-burning stove and built-in shelves, formal dining room, kitchen with center island, breakfast bar, under-cabinet lighting and new granite countertops and subway tile backsplash. A sunroom has French doors leading you to the wood deck and brick patio backyard featuring a storage shed. 2 bedrooms, large laundry room and a full bathroom with jetted tub are also located on the first floor. The second floor features a full bathroom, office/study and 2 bedrooms. One needs a doorway to be a 4th bedroom. Ample storage is located on the second floor. The oversized garage features electric service for an electric car. This .32 acre corner lot has a decorative fence.